Hi there. Thanks for signing up for the webinar, or rather, congratulations on making the right decision for your company. But first, I'd like to ask you for a quick favor. Below, you're going to find a short survey. Please fill it in, as I will use this information to prepare for the presentation. And I'm going to pick the most relevant examples to use them live, so I can really bring you the most value. Now, about the training. It'll be pretty intense, so you need to make sure you'll have the full hour of uninterrupted time. No phone calls, TV, kids, or dogs. Just you, me, and your company's future. And if you're the CEO, feel free to invite your top executives to this training. Based on my experience, some of the ideas will trigger an immediate discussion between you and your team. Plus, I will share some of the operational formulas you and your team can implement the next day, and even right away if you get extremely excited. That's it for now. Again, look to have you here. Please remember to fill in the survey, and thank you. We'll see you at the webinar.